Inspirational Gardeners of Black History, a look behind North American horticulture. Today, we celebrate the life of George Washington Carver, the plant doctor and the peanut man. George Washington Carver was born in 1864 and died on January 5, 1943. He was a scientist, inventor, and educator. Born into slavery 1 year before it was abolished, he was kidnapped at 1 week old. Sadly, while he was rescued, his mother and his sister were never found. Raised by his former owners, Moses and Susan Carver, they taught him and his brother James how to read and write. Mrs. Carver also taught him to cook, embroider, garden, and make herbal medicines. Soon, George was known as the plant doctor to the local farmers for his ability to identify issues and increase yield. He would later go on to become the first African American to earn a Bachelor of Science degree. As a professor at Tuskegee Institute, he established their agricultural department and continued to work there until his death. His inventions included a methodized crop rotation and over 300 uses of peanuts. These included making plastics, synthetic rubbers, paper, and other products from the now popular nut that was mainly used to feed livestock. His friends were Booker T. Washington, President Theodore Roosevelt, and President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Mahatma Gandhi and Henry Ford, just to name a few. After his death, Franklin D. Roosevelt commissioned a national monument in his honor, the first to be made for a non-president, and also that of a person of color. Please join me in celebrating the life of George Washington Carver. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow.